Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are getting the App Store no internet connection error on your Mac, even though your Wi-Fi is working just fine, don't worry, you are not alone. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through 6 proven solutions to fix the issue step by step. So let's get right into it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Let's make sure your internet is actually working. Open Safari and other browser. Try loading a website like Google. If it works, great, move to the next step. Solution 2. Restart your Mac. Sometimes a simple restart is all you need. Click on the Apple logo in the top right corner. Choose Restart. Once your Mac boots back up, open the App Store and check if it's working. Solution 3. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time can block App Store from connecting. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. Then scroll down and tap on Date and Time. Turn on Set Time and Date automatically. Make sure your time zone is accurate. This syncs your system with Apple services properly. Solution 4. Sign out and sign back into the Apple ID. Refreshing your Apple ID session can also help. Open the App Store. Click your name or profile icon at the bottom left corner. Then tap on Store at the top bar menu. Choose Sign Out in the drop-down menu. After that, restart your Mac. Open App Store and sign back in. Solution 5. Check DNS settings. Incorrect DNS can block Apple services. Go to Settings app. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Click Detail next to your network connection. Then scroll to DNS settings. Here at 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, these are Google DNS. Click OK and try loading the App Store again. Solution 6. Update macOS. A bug in your current macOS version might be caused. Go to Settings app. Then tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Here, if any updates are available, install them. Updating often resolves these network-related bugs. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and MacBook tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.